This video will share why the specialized services of a travel agent can never really be replaced by artificial intelligence. My name is Joni Ogg. 2026 promises to be a great year for travel agents. Selling travel has always been about personal knowledge and service, and with the explosion of AI agents and chatbots, personal service becomes a tidal wave of difference between travel agents and algorithms. In an era where we're expected to be our own mechanics thanks to YouTube tutorials, our own therapists thanks to podcasts, and our own personal chefs thanks to meal kit subscriptions, there remains one delightfully antiquated luxury that some refuse to surrender, and that is the travel agent. The modern traveler is expected to be part software engineer, navigating booking sites, part lawyer, reading cancellation policies, and part prophet, predicting which airline will still exist when your travel dates arrive. Meanwhile, travel agents have mastered the ancient art of doing literally all of this while you eat a sandwich. They know things, arcane things, like which travel insurance actually covers I changed my mind because Mercury is in retrograde, and which European hotels have American-style ice machines. These are the keepers of forbidden knowledge. Picture this. Instead of spending 11 hours across 4 evenings comparing hotel reviews written by people whose idea of dirty is a single hair on a pillowcase, you make one phone call. Only one, and a real human voice answers. And that human has current knowledge about Cancun. Oh no, sweetie, not that resort. Your travel agent Brenda will say with the confidence of a woman who has seen things. The swim-up bar is next to the kiddie pool. Trust me on this. You will trust her because Brenda has saved you from booking a romantic getaway next to a waffle station frequented by sugar-loaded 7-year-olds at 6:47 a.m. daily. Here's where travel agents truly earn their keep. When your flight gets canceled at 11 p.m. and the airline's hold music becomes the soundtrack to your existential crisis, your travel agent is one text away. And while you're stress-eating airport Pringles, Brenda is somehow getting you rebooked on a flight that doesn't technically exist yet. Try getting that level of service from Expedia's chatbot. I understand you're frustrated. Doesn't hit quite the same as Brenda saying, "Oh, hell no. Delta did that? What now? I'll get you rebooked right away." Travel agents don't just email you a confirmation number and wish you luck. They create itineraries with headers and day-by-day breakdowns, including hotel, dining, sightseeing, and activity suggestions. They will also include maps, driving times, and graphics. It's like receiving a dissertation on your own vacation, complete with restaurant recommendations and the exact coordinates of the hotel's quiet pool. You'll never read 80% of it, but the sheer weight of the document in your hands, yes, they will print it if you'd like, provides a comfort that no smartphone screenshot can match. And in a world increasingly meditated by algorithms and bots, there's something revolutionary about calling someone and saying, "I have 7 days, medium-level adventurous, I hate bugs, I love carbs, what should I do?" And having them respond with an actual enthusiasm rather than trying to sell you a timeshare. Your travel agent remembers that you mentioned your fear of dolphins during your 2019 Bahamas trip. Your travel agent knows you're lying when you say you're flexible about accommodations. Your travel agent will absolutely judge your choice to take a cruise, but book it anyway because they respect your autonomy even when you're wrong. "But I can find cheaper deals online," you cry, having spent 6 hours discovering a rate that's $43 less than the agent's quote. Well, congratulations. Your time is now worth $7.16 per hour, apparently. Meanwhile, the travel agent found you the same room with breakfast included, late checkout, and a bottle of wine waiting in your room because they called their contact at the resort. The price that the travel agent offers you is so well worth the cost. Let's say your spouse gets ill on your vacation and needs to get home. A simple call to Brenda will arrange that. And God forbid anything happens that's more serious and you need immediate medical transportation, a call to Brenda and she'll help you. Flight cancellations, hotel or resort closures or disasters, lost documents, wallet or phone, just call Brenda. And as we barrel toward a future where AI will probably book our vacations based on our web browsing history and the tone of our recent emails, let us take a moment to appreciate the travel agents among us. They are the last line of defense between you and booking a charming rustic cabin that turns out to be a shed with a strong Wi-Fi signal. So the next time you're about to open 17 browser tabs to plan a trip, consider this. What if you just call Brenda instead? She's waiting. She has opinions about Lisbon. You need to hear them. Is your choice personal service or an algorithm? Thank you for watching this short video. We hope you've enjoyed it. If so, just give it a like or a share. And if you would like to know when we release future tutorials, just subscribe to our channel.